Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing yet another bold red lips look as part of my series of the bold lip colors. And today I am doing a Lisa Eldridge lipstick. If you guys are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of looks for fair, golden, olive skin tones. And this is the look that I came up with almost all the time. I use just whatever I have. It's not a always new products because it takes a while to get through products, and my main goal always is to stick to the products that I feel look the best on fair golden olive skin tone women. If you want to see how I get this particular look, then please keep watching. To start off this look, I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This cream, I'm going to use this as my primer. Got this a while ago, I love using the Merit one, so I have forgotten about this one. It smells very, very citrusy. And something else, some kind of essential oils. Yeah, it definitely feels a lot more tacky than like serum-y, which for the most part I do prefer that serum-y feel. I'm using this Rose Inc Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum for my foundation. I just do one pump. Last time I really enjoyed the look of just the color corrector. The color corrector had a pretty natural look to the base, so I'm going to try that again. This time with a much more sheer base like that tinted serum. So I'm going to see how that looks. I have quite a few cream products today that I'm going to use. I had to switch it up because it's just too easy to stick to powders. All right, and the base is done. I don't know. Let's try using this Nars eye brightener in Night Swan and see if it kind of brightens up the eye area, because it's just not looking the best. Yeah, see, that definitely looks better. So if you get a good night's sleep, you look like that naturally, and if you don't, the darkness comes out. And there is that looks pretty good. Let's just do my eyebrows. I've been on a bit of a kick using this RMS brow powder in the color medium. I am getting faster at it. If you have the right tool, I think that makes a huge difference. Because if it's just too thin of a tool, brush or whatever you're using, then you'll be here all day. Brush it out as the final touch. I'm going to do this Nars Laguna 01 as my bronzer. Actually, I think I'll use the fluffier side. I'll powder as soon as I do a few more cream products. Just trying to build a little bit over here. It can definitely get pretty pigmented if you want it to, even for it being like this, the fairest shade. Yeah, that looks pretty good so far. And for my blush, I wanted to do this Rose Inc in the color Delphine. then for highlighter, I'm using this Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin, this Elevated Glow. I love this highlighter very, very much. This I could definitely see repurchasing. I don't usually like liquid highlights, but that one I love, which is saying a lot. There's just a thinness about it. It's so easy to use, and it looks completely undetectable. I will set a little bit under the eyes, bring some of that shine down with just using the Mercier. When you bring down the shine from under the eyes, then you can really see like the cheek glow. That really makes your cheeks pop. I will do my lips. So last time I said that I would use a brown lip liner with the red lipstick. And the lipstick I've got is Velvet Dragon by Lisa Eldridge. This was one of the ones that, oh, it came broken. So yeah, that just made a mess, and I have to be really careful with how I use that. Honestly, it makes me never want to use them because the formula is so dry, and they're called velvet lipsticks, but I feel like the velvet part is just a dry part, the dryness to the formula. So I'm using Makeup by Mario lip liner in the color Milk Chocolate. I'm not going to build up the brown too much because it does get super intense. I just want it to be like that underline for the red lips. And then here is Velvet Dragon. Alright, this lipstick was a bit of a mess to work with. I'm using my powder foundation here. This is the Youngblood in the color Barely Beige, and I'm just kind of cleaning up some of the red that smudged. And yeah, I really like that color. Just again, I don't like that formula. When I run out of my mini velvet lipsticks, I won't be repurchasing that formula. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this Ethereal Eye Shadow Palette. I'm going to use this corner color here, going all over the lid. For these bold red lip looks, I really love trying to keep the rest of the face somewhat simple because then the red looks beautiful. And then I'm just going to use one of these shimmers, probably that middle one there, and go all over the lid. I'm going to finish off the eye look with this mascara. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to be repurchasing this mascara because after a while I realized that every time I go to wash off the mascara, and if it gets in my eyes, it starts burning really bad and it really hurts. So I have to like hurry up and wash it out like twice or 3 times. I really have to add the, you know, the face wash and the makeup remover and just really scrub it away quickly before it gets in my eyes. But it always does that initial wash. Nice. And the last touch I wanted to do is just add a little bit of a powder bronzer, which is this Milk Chocolate in the color Milk Chocolate Soleil. I think that's the color. This smells so good. Oh my goodness, every time. I like using this. This color is really, really nice. I love how light it is. I love how it smells, everything about it. So that pretty much concludes the look with this red bold lipstick by Lisa Eldridge in the color Velvet Dragon. There it is. The color is really, really pretty, and I think that it flatters olive skin tones a lot, but I wouldn't recommend this brand. So if there was another color that you guys feel like it would look similar to, and honestly it doesn't look that different from the Rare Beauty color, I think Inspire, so you can always go for one of those instead. I hope you guys liked this video, this look. I hope that you guys are doing well, having a wonderful day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.